Hello guys, this is Mirmat Gul and you are watching my YouTube channel Film Genius. Today I have brought this video just for you that how to make green screen video and Inshot apps, and from here we can download Inshot apps. Before going to video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get fresh notification. Let's go to the mobile screen.
First of all, you need to install Inshot apps from the Play Store. I have already installed. I will just open. Once you open, you will see this kind of background. You need to import your video from the gallery. I will click on the video option, and then I will click on the new, and then I will select the video. I will select the photo. Which one photo is the right? This one is the right. Once you click, you will and this one will be green. Now it's import. I will choose the chroma. You need to put the size, and then there is also present in short watermark. I will just I will first I will remove it after 20 seconds, and maybe it will remove easily. It looks very awkward once it's put. Now it's removed, and then I will choose the size for the videos. 70 seconds is right, and then I will select the video, and then I will select the pip option, pip, and I will select the green screen video, this one, 3 seconds, and I will also select the and this one, and then I will crop the video. I do not want to add the whole videos. First I would like to crop the video. Now it will crop. Yes, now it cropped, and then I will select on the cutout option. I need to remove the watermark, and then I will click on the chroma option, and then I will choose the strength, this one, and I also want to put the shadow on the picture later. Now my video is perfect. Now just I would like to choose the size of the video. Now I would like to play the video. Now you see, and I will take some duplicate, and I will take some duplicate. Yes, now this is right, and I will split. Yes, now you will see the video. How is it? And I would like to also put some sound. I will come to the video option. Which one should be the right one? Yes, I would like to. This one. Then I will again split the video, then I will delete, and then my video is now my video is created. I will export now.